I hate filming myself, but I still wanted clients, so we built a video system that runs 24/7, generates traffic, builds trust, and gets leads while we sleep. The results? 2,600 plus subscribers, 1,000 plus qualified leads, real paying clients, no funnels, no burnout. And the wild part, I never filmed a single clip, never recorded my voice, never hired a video editor or VA. We let AI do everything. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can copy the exact system in your business or niche. Stick around in part 3. I'll show you how top creators like Graham Stephan Ali Abdaal are doing this manually and how you can do it better, faster, and faceless. Part 1, step by step, the 2025 Authority Engine Blueprint. Let's break down exactly how we built it and how you can too. Step 1, pick a clear niche. We focused on helping businesses grow using AI tools. You need the same. Pick a niche that solves real problems and attracts high-value clients. Think how to get a visa approved, how to land a remote job, how to protect your income, etc. Step 2, choose your persona format. Here's where it gets fun. You can go fully faceless and still build trust. We tested both of these and they both work. 1. Avatar-based video. Clone yourself, your top salesperson, or create a fictional persona ideal for your audience. This avatar becomes the consistent face of your content across YouTube, social, and your site. 2. Voiceover plus. Visuals use AI-generated voice, combined with slides, screen shares, or stock footage, ideal for tutorials, explainers, or educational breakdowns. For us, we used an AI avatar styled on me, smart, sharp, and approachable. No filming, no mic, no stress, just smart, helpful content, delivered weekly. Step 3, post consistently with a repurposing stack. We committed to 1 long-form video a week, 3+ short-form clips from that same video, then republished it across YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, even turned it into a blog post and email. That's what built omnipresence. That's what created trust. That's what brought leads every single week. Part 2, teach, don't pitch, with real hooks by industry. Now let's talk about content. Forget about pitching. Instead, solve one burning question per video. One question, one answer, one simple offer. Here's how that looks by niche. Migration consultants. Why your visa keeps getting rejected and what to do next. Career coaches. The LinkedIn message that actually gets interviews in 2025. Insurance advisors. How to tell if you're underinsured in under 3 minutes. Business coaches. 3 pricing mistakes killing your offers right now. Health coaches. What to eat when every diet has failed you. Pro tip, use client DMs, sales calls, and inbox questions as your content vault. Then turn those into videos using your AI avatar or VO style. Part 3, proof. This works, you just don't have to film it. Still not convinced this can work in your industry? Here's proof from real creators. They're doing it the hard way. You get to do it the smart way with AI. Niche, real creator channel. Productivity, Ali Abdaal. E-commerce, wholesale TED. Real estate, Ken McElroy. Legal, Law by Mike. Migration, USA Immigration Talk. Finance, Graham Stephan. Career coaching, Andrew Lasivita. Health coaching, Mind Over Munch. Insurance, Policy Genius. Marketing, Neil Patel. These creators are winning with weekly video content. You can do the same, but without ever picking up a camera. Part 4, want us to build yours? This is what we build for clients in every niche. 1 AI-powered video a week, dozens of repurposed assets, an AI agent to qualify and book leads. Let's build your authority engine. Book your free 30-minute strategy session. I'm Anna Cool from Authority Videos, and around here, it's cool when your content closes the deal for you.